Hello everyone, welcome to my another new project, and I am Ali Hussain as a Google Merchant Center and Google Ads expert. And today I'm going to show you my live project. Here you can see 19 May and 19 May ad result. I cost almost $1,000 and conversion here is 500 something and click almost 100 500 click. Okay, so if I go to show you the last 7 days result, here I almost spent 5,000 more, and here is the conversion rate is very low because my all product is very high. Those product price almost $600 or $700. So here every per conversation only 1.29. so if you are facing your Google Ads not getting much good result and your conversions much high, then you must be contact with me because I have secret strategy to get the good result by little amount. I mean a small budget, and your conversion rate will be very low. So don't hesitation, please contact with me for your getting more sales. Thank you so much everyone.